everyone, I am back again with a simple and easy recipe, which is chickpeas salad, which I really love. And if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And without further ado, let's get started. You need a little bit of chopped parsley, a diced tomato, and cooked chickpeas, or you can use canned chickpeas, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 clove of crushed garlic, and it is so easy. Just add all ingredients together, the chickpeas and the tomatoes and the parsley, the garlic, a little bit of salt and the lemon juice, and start mixing. As easy as that. I like to eat this as a breakfast because it gives me energy for the rest of the day and it makes me full, so I don't need to eat it like with other things. And here I'm adding a lot of olive oil because I really love olive oil. And that's it, you guys. This is just the recipe. Is so easy but very tasty. I hope you try this recipe, and if you like this, please subscribe and see you soon. Bye!